Okay, we won that. Oh, it tides! Yes, I love tides! Oh, it's more buckets! Oh! That's it, that's so good! How much is that? Oh my god, finally! Alright, boys, welcome back to part 2 of the BloxFlip Road to 1 Million Challenge. Today, we got 355k in the bounce from last video. Let's get right into this one. We're starting off small. 15k on the crash. Wow, off to a great start. Alright, so we're gonna try that one more time. Fuck! Okay, so we're again last second sniping this. Oh! Okay, no more crash, no more crash, no more crash. As all of you guys know, I'm the best crash or blackjack player there ever was. So we're gonna put 12k, make some money back here. Okay, that's not bad. It's not that good either. Oh my god, he pulled every goddamn card. Okay, we're gonna try that again. It actually went pretty well that time. Let's just try one more time. Okay, that's good. A 6. Put 2 kings, 2 kings. It's not that good. Okay, hold on. We're gonna try that one more time. How are we down? I thought we're up. Okay, that's such a good hand. There's no way. Oh, what the fuck is this dude doing? Okay, 25k hand. We're doing this one a little bigger. 17. Please don't have a king. Face card. What? Oh my god, dude. No. This guy is fucking us. Okay, we won that. Thank God. That's not even money back though. We're still down on this. Come on. Oh, that's no. Oh my god. Why would you do this? And then we're gonna end off with a purple face case for 62k. Our teammate needs to lock in here. We're not gonna do crazy. I'm not really feeling. Please tell me. No. Please don't tell me I have to sit through this shit. Oh god. This is about to be a long ass battle. Whoa! That's a fast roll! Oh, it tides! Yes, I love tides! That's my favorite knife. Okay. Do my teammate pull? Oh, I pull it tides! Oh, my fucking studio lights are follow me! Okay, hold on. How much is that? Oh, no! Oh, no. What the fuck are the odds of that? Yes. Those glasses have to be dog shit, right? Okay, they're not worth anything. Oh my god. Did I pull? Yes! Oh my god. Yes, a command over me! Wow! That's so good! We won. Wait, whoa. The purple face case. No. We can't lose here. Oh no. My teammate pulled the fucking alien face. That's not good. No! Fuck no! You did not pull the rarest item! No! What the fuck, bro? What the actual? This fucking studio light! Bro! There's no way! These videos are filled with agony, bro. This hurts, man. Fuck. Okay, we get to the top of the tower. Oh, fuck me! Okay, hold on. 2k. Oh no! Huss. No! Huss. Fuck! Come on. I'm gonna get to the top of the tower. I will get to the top of the tower. Side method. Damn! Fucking hate towers, dude. Oh! No! Okay, guys, when in doubt, you consult the community. Purple or red. Okay, these guys usually make some decent calls. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna put 25k on the first letter or first. Alright, they said red. They're pretty confident on red. We'll put 6k on gold as per usual. I'm praying, man. The community low-key locks in every time we do roulette. But I don't know, man. I don't know if they're locked today. They're locked today! They're locked! Oh my god, I love the the community. Oh my god. Okay. Red or purple. Okay, we gotta do them again, guys. The community knows what's good. Let's see what the next color is. Purple. Okay, this Mama Lewis, this fucking monolith, he knows what he's doing. Okay, we're gonna do 50k. We gotta do bigger going home, guys. Like, we're down so much, bro. We need to get back to that number we're at. Come on. Okay, I've been trolling. Committing to EOS block. No, commit to the other one. Come on. No! Slow down! Oh my god. Fuck this monolith guy. Hey man, I'm to a bad start, to be honest, bro. We gotta put 20k on cups. We're gonna pray for the best. Let's go. Purple is the color. It's my favorite color. I have a bad feeling this bitch about to be blue. Come on, purple, please. Oh, god damn it. Why is it yellow? Who the fuck would put money on yellow? Okay, whatever, man. It's fine. We'll live. Okay, we do 1v1v1v1. We just got free ball this, you know. We just got balls deep. We're gonna put 2 buckets. We're gonna put some antlers. It's gonna be a good day. Or we're just gonna get absolutely pwned. Let's hope not. Okay, let's go. Come on. That's a bucket. That is not a fucking bucket. Oh my god. That's so bad. Bucket. Is that a bucket? That's a bucket. Oh god, that's buckets. I feel like that one basketball player, Jimmy Buckets. Come on. Is that hammers? Oh god. Even if we win this, it's not gonna pay that much. Unless I pull a yum. I mean, we won. Fucking barely won anything, but oh Jesus Christ. Okay, we're gonna win it back. This time with 2 buckets, a Valk, and an antler. We're gonna take our winnings, you know, kind of pile it on. Last round wasn't really that big of a win, bro. It was kind of depressing, actually. Bucket. That's a bucket. That's a bucket for me and my teammate. I did 2v2 this time because I was a pussy. Oh, it's 4 buckets. Oh, that's fucking fat, bro. That shit's so fat. Is that a bucket for us again? That's a bucket for me and my teammate again. Yes! Okay, wait. Please do not sell this. Please. No Valk for anyone. I'll just black Valk shades. That's good. That's so good. Okay, nobody pulls. Please, love of Lord, do not pull antlers on me. Ah! I want to put antlers. Wow! That's antlers. That's so good. How much is that? Oh my god, finally. There's a break we needed. That's so much. Oh! 400k, let's go! Alright, we're gonna take it out to blackjack. We're gonna put our balance so it's at an even 400k. Oh, that's so bad. We have to hit that. That's so bad still. Oh my god, dude. Okay, we're gonna put 20k on this hand. We got 380. Kind of where we started the video at. It's not the best, but it's better than losing, I guess. Oh my god. That's so bad. What, bro? I swear to God. If we lose this, we got to end the video. Which god? Hope for the next. No. We have to hit. There's no. Okay, I'll take a push. Push, bitch. Please push. Why is it? Oh my god! Who the fuck is this dealer, bro? Oh my. Okay, we'll do one last 10k on this hoe. That's really all I got in me, bro. I can't do any more than this. Okay, we gotta double that. We could double that. 19. There's no way we lose. Okay, thank the Lord Jesus. Anyways, boys, I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. We're gonna end it at 380k. This is a long video to make, and I don't know. I'm not having a good feeling. Make sure to join the Discord, follow the Instagram, follow the X account, and all that, guys. Go check out BloxFlip. Link will be in the description. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video so much. Whoa! Have a good one.